Hi folks, hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to show you the tomato plants as we head in.
Red.
Yeah, as we head into the winter. This is a beefsteak tomato.
Red.
Yeah, this is beefsteak tomato. I started it pretty late this year. Just wanted to see if I could grow tomatoes through the winter here in Florida Zone 9B. And it's November the 12th today. And we have still green tomato plants doing okay. But you'll see here they were eaten a little bit by worms. Got rid of the worms. Used some thuricide, some BT thuricide. And this little bit of a trellis system seems to be working just fine to elevate the tomatoes. So anyhow, I'm going to keep you updated and posted on the progress of these tomato plants. It's a mix of two types. One is just a regular cherry tomato. The other is the beefsteak tomato. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated on the progress of these tomato plants throughout the winter. And we'll see if we can observe a miracle. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.